Hello everyone. Happy December 23rd. Today we celebrate Pfeffernüsse cookies, Roots Day, and the joy of heritage and spice. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. Then if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Pfeffernüsse Day, a spiced cookie tradition from Europe. A great gift could be a holiday cookie tin, a spice blend set, or a festive baking kit. Have you tried these cookies? Let's spice up the comments. It's Roots Day, a celebration of family history and ancestry. A thoughtful gift could be a genealogy kit, a heritage cookbook, or a framed family photo. What's a story from your roots? Let's share in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 2 days away, and the countdown is filled with the warmth of family and tradition. It's Festivus, a playful holiday for the rest of us. A sweet gift could be a Festivus pole ornament, a humorous card, or a quirky tradition kit. What's your funniest holiday moment? Let's laugh in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering celebrations for January 21st to 25th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.